It is my understanding that both the separation agreement and the current employment agreement that's in place with Chief Dubois is in the public domain at this time. Is that correct, my understanding?
It's on the website.
It's on the website.
My name is Justin Nadeau. I am an attorney in Portsmouth. I have been a lifelong resident of Portsmouth. I'm also a professor of business law at the University of New Hampshire. I've been teaching there for 12 years. I have been primarily teaching contracts, business negotiations, business dealings, that sort of thing. When I review the contract that is currently in place with Chief Dubois, and I contrast that with the separation agreement, I don't know if anyone in this or everyone in this room knows or the public knows, there are some very, very significant differences. And I think if the public knew the differences, they would be very concerned. First of all, the employment agreement that is currently in place includes, under paragraph 5, what's called termination for cause. Okay? Termination for cause states this: this agreement may be terminated by the commission or board at any time for cause, i.e. failure on the part of the employer to comply with any term or condition of this agreement, the laws, the rules and regulations of the state of New Hampshire, or the rules and regulations of the commission or board, or the city of Portsmouth, or malfeasance, which is doing something intentionally wrong, misfeasance, which is more of a negligence or reckless standard, nonfeasance, which is doing nothing at all. Okay? And it goes on forward to say, further to say, insubordination and carrying out the responsibilities of the position as specified in the municipal charter of the city of Portsmouth, or as directed by the commission or board. When you read the termination for cause language that has been negotiated into the separation agreement, there is no provision for, there is a provision for malfeasance, but there's no provision for misfeasance or nonfeasance. So it's a lower standard. And what I would submit to the commission is that we're talking about the chief of police here, and we need to hold the chief to a higher standard, not a lower standard. And we shouldn't make the separation agreement more relaxed than the original employment agreement that he's currently bound to. So if we're going to be talking about whether the chief is terminated for cause or without cause, I would just respectfully submit that we should follow the employment agreement that's currently in place. And if we do, I think we could logically conclude what the right thing to do is. I see that my time is up, and I do thank the honorable members of the commission for time this morning.
Thank you, Justin. Just your address for...
Yes, my address, 507 State Street in Portsmouth. Thank you.
Thank you. Anybody else who'd like to come before the commission? See nobody coming forward in the audience. I